how to zoom in and zoom out on Discord in your laptop or PC. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you zoom in or zoom out on Discord in your laptop or PC. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open your Discord app on your system or PC. So it can be your app or web browser. So right now I'm opening the Discord on my Chrome browser. So after opening the Discord on your system, to zoom in, you will be have to use two shortcut keys. The shortcut key will be like control and plus key. So you have to use control and plus key. Okay, so after entering the shortcut key control and plus, you'll be able to zoom in Discord app on your system. So as usual, to zoom out, you'll have to use shortcut key control and minus button. So you have to use control and minus key. Alright, so as you can see from using this shortcut key, you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out Discord app on your system. So this is the easiest and simplest method to zoom in and zoom out your Discord app on your system. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.